Good morning, friends. Today I will discuss Class 10 Science Chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equation. Okay, so what is chemical reaction? Chemical reactions means it is a process in which new substance with new properties are formed. Okay, so what is new property here? New substance means substance whose nature and identity are entirely different from the original substance. Okay, like milk. Here see example 1. Milk is left at room temperature. This first one, milk is left at room temperature during summer. Okay, so what will happen if milk will left at room temperature during summer? The nature and identity of milk will change. Okay, what happens when iron nail left exposed to humid atmosphere? Its also nature and identity will change. Okay, so before keeping it is like iron, and when it kept outside, then what will happen? Rusting of iron will takes place. Okay, so this is the change here. Nature and identity of substance changes. Understood? In all situations, nature and identity of the substance changes. Here's the activity number 1. This activity number 1. Here, burning of magnesium ribbon. Okay, what we have to take, first take magnesium ribbon 3-4 centimeter. Then we have to take pair of tongue, spirit, burner. Okay, after that, this what do you observe here? Here what will observe? When a magnesium ribbon is heated, okay, it burns with a dazzling white flame to form a white powder, and this white powder is called magnesium oxide. Actually, on heating, magnesium combines with oxygen present in air, okay, to form magnesium oxide. When magnesium will react with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. See, Mg plus O2, it will form MgO. Okay, this is the sign of heat. Before burning in air, the magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with a sandpaper. Do you know why it is cleaned? This is done to remove the protective layer of basic magnesium carbonate from the surface of magnesium ribbon. Basic magnesium carbonate means what? Basic magnesium carbonate, it is a mixture of magnesium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide. Okay, understood this reaction? So we have to just balance it. Balancing also we will discuss in later. Just write now Mg plus O2 MgO. This is formed due to reaction between magnesium and oxygen. Understood? Now see activity, another activity 1.2. Here, when lead nitrate solution is mixed with potassium iodide, okay, then yellow PPT of potassium iodide is formed. What is PPT here? PPT is not PowerPoint presentation. Here PPT is precipitate. Okay, now what is precipitate? An insoluble substance formed in the reaction, okay, which settles down in the bottom, that is called precipitate. Okay, so see activity 1.2. Here what we have to take, lead nitrate. What is the symbol of lead? Symbol of lead is Pb. Lead nitrate, PbNO3 whole 2, aqueous solution of lead nitrate plus potassium iodide. When lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide, it forms lead iodide plus potassium nitrate. Okay, so what is the color of lead nitrate? Here color of lead nitrate is white. Potassium iodide, this is colorless. Okay, and here this is PbI2, that is PbI2. This is called precipitate, and this is the sign of precipitate. Okay, and what is the color of lead nitrate? Yellow color. This is insoluble precipitate formed in the reaction plus potassium iodide. Okay, now see next activity 1.3. Here see in this activity what we have to take: zinc. When zinc reacts with dilute sulphuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas is formed and container becomes warm. This is an exothermic reaction. Do you know what is exothermic reaction? Reaction in which heat is given out or liberated, that is called exothermic. And what is endothermic? The reaction in which heat is absorbed, that is called endothermic. So here zinc, solid zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid H2SO4. It forms zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay, and this container becomes hot, warm or hot, you can say. Why it is hot? Because it is highly exothermic reaction. Okay, that's why heat is given out. Understood? Now in my next video I will discuss about characteristics of chemical reaction. Thank you.